we'll come in and drill it out there. It don't have to be
big one.
right next to it.
Right on the bottom. I don't know if you can cut that. See it right here? This whole area right here.
If we get this.
See the ones.
You see any? Did you drill right there?
No.
All right, right here, right on that little hole, right here. Just go right in. Yeah, right there. I think we were still down too far. Got a million wells on this thing, Bob. Right here, you see it? Man, they got them right at the top too.
Right about there?
Yeah, try that. Fire now, just. More probably. Oh, look at that.
Why were they so high up?
Somebody this was what did they used to say when I worked in the factory?
A booger weld?
No, it's like. Alright, so if you look here, they put 1,000 welds in there. So now we got to clean all this up, and then we'll see if that other piece will fit on top of there. Oh, he drew blood.
The car drew blood.
Robin's gonna kill me. They put 1,000 welds in here. Hey, you had a tetanus shot, right?
Several.
All right, me too. So.
Got a rag over there?
Yeah. All right, so what's her name? You name her yet?
Nope.
She drew first blood.
I have not named it yet. I named a piece of crap.
Well, at least you ain't willing to call her nothing bad, because we don't want to say nothing bad on this channel anyway. But all right, so yeah, we got this all cut out. It's now we got to get this channel out here, and you think it's a lot of welds right there. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably a billion on this piece. So after this piece come out, then this piece we'll start fitting her up. So we got a switch out from the drill. You want to take a small hole, put a small hole so this won't slip while you're drilling. So you drill a little small hole, but you don't want to go through. Yep, that's good. And what you want to try to do too is drill the hole where the outside of the tool cut the metal. What's been going on, see, you want it to cut around like that. Yeah, so it'll get all the weld, and then this piece will just come off. Don't want to go too far. You don't want to go too far because then we'll hit that with the hammer.
Okay, it's loose.
So we don't want to go through because what's going to happen, we're going to clean all of this up here and we'll drill holes in here and we'll weld. So we don't want holes to go all the way through. Don't want holes to go all the way through on that there, so. Getting the hang of it. I heard it popped in. So then if this ain't all the way off, then hit it from the other way. You look like you've been doing this for 100 years already. So you're a fast learner, huh?
Yep. Yep.
Well, you say you want to learn. The only way to learn is get in there and get to it.
That's about it.
Then when you get ready to do, which one we doing, which one you doing next?
I don't know yet. Maybe the 70 Wildcat.
Oh!
We could do ours together. Do 3 of them together.
Yep, I'm thinking that might have to be the case.
Yeah.
Get you good around here. Get a lot of footage in. So we got the Wildcat convertible, the Wild, and the 2 hard tops we got to do. 70 Wildcats.
70 Wildcat garage.